Ready to connect Salesgenie with HubSpot? Let's walk through it together. Head to Settings in your Salesgenie account, then choose Integrations. Find HubSpot and click Connect. Sign into your HubSpot account, log in with your credentials, and enter the quick verification code sent to your email to confirm the connection. And it's that simple. At the top of the screen, a confirmation message will appear to let you know the connection was established successfully. Now it's time to map your fields. On the left, you'll see your Sales Genie fields, and on the right, your HubSpot fields. Customize the mapping however you like. Add, remove, or adjust, then hit Save. At the top of the screen, a confirmation message will appear to let you know your mapping was saved. Exporting contacts to HubSpot is easy with Sales Genie. Simply open one of your saved lists and choose whether to send the whole list or just the records you need. Then select Export. Select the format to export to HubSpot. The previous setup steps ensures only the fields you want are exported to HubSpot, and it's consistent for every user on your account. A confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen, letting you know your exported data will be ready shortly. And here's the best part. Your records are available in HubSpot moments after exporting. Simply select contacts, and here they are, ready for you and your team to put them to work. In just a few steps, you've unlocked a powerful connection between Sales Genie and HubSpot, so you can spend less time moving data and more time closing deals.